a show without a star?
How do you spell cataclysm?
How can you shoot a show with a star? How can you shoot a show without a star? This is it.
This is like a factabulous. We'll rewrite this episode starring Lil Lightning. Woo woo! I'm a genius. Get the writer. Find the director. This is gonna be a whole new direction for the Thunderbolts. A whole new direction. What do you think of that, Thunderbolt, old pal? Finally, I'll be able to step out of your shadow, you overacted ham. Lil Lightning Adventure Hour. That's a nice ring, doesn't it? What do you think?